Hello and welcome. On this episode of Tool Overview Thursday, we do our 14-inch Dewalt Abrasive Chop Saw. We have it out here today. We're going to cut this piece of metal for the Brandon. We got this back in January of 2021. We had just got this welding table and our welder and our oxyacetylene gas bottles. We use this to build the cart for the bottles. So we've had it a while. We've used it on a lot of projects. Most notably would be the Trail Horse and probably the Brandon now. So it is a Dewalt model 28715. It has the quick change keyless blade change system, which we like quite a bit. It's just a big knob, real easy to get off. This disc has got a lot of wear on it. We haven't changed it in years, so does pretty good. One of the major drawbacks between the Dewalt and the Milwaukee unit is the Milwaukee is able to cut 45 degrees in both directions. The Dewalt only cuts in one direction, but it has this quick adjustment lever here, whereas the Milwaukee requires tools. We actually tried to convert this thing to 45 in both directions and found out really quickly why it doesn't do that, because this plate hits this bar. So the only way you can do it is if you re-engineered this. It does have a quick release on the clamp, so when there's no tension on it, you can flip that up, slide it out. Like I said, we've used it quite a bit. We like it. We do want to get an Evolution chop saw because I think it's a better technology. But this one served us well. Well, anyway, we're lined up. Let's cut this piece for the Brandon. Makes pretty quick work of it. Although, like I say, Evolution saws are much quicker, supposedly. Well, thank you for watching another episode of Tool Review Thursday. We hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment below. We're going to go ahead and get back to work on the Brandon, and we'll see you next week.